previous video, we designed a tunnel or a drive. In this video, would like to do an inspection to see if the as-built of that drive or the excavated or the mined section of that drive is in conformance to what was designed. So the first step is we want to generate some as-built points from the point cloud data. We create a station interval of 10 feet along the drive. This is the interval at which points will be extracted along the drive. For the search distance, we'll put a search distance of 5 feet. And we'll save these as-built points on the as-built points layer. When you click the Add button, the as-built points will be generated based on that search interval that we specified earlier. And yes, you can see from this table, at 10 feet we had 29 points, 30, 50, 60 feet, and so on. You can turn off the scans so that you have a good view of your extracted as-built points. Now we want to create an as-built mesh from the points that we extracted. We'll call this an as-built tunnel mesh, and we'll classify it under excavation because this is an excavation. We'll put it on the tunnel as-built mesh layer. And then we select all our as-built points. When you click Apply, the as-built mesh will be created or generated. We now want to inspect that as-built mesh, so we'll create an inspection map. We'll call this the tunnel inspection map, and we'll classify it under design excavation. We'll put it on the tunnel inspection map layer. And for the base mesh, we'll use the tunnel design mesh. And for the comparison mesh, we'll use our as-built tunnel mesh. And there we have our inspection map. You can click on the inspection view to have a good view along the tunnel or along the as-built drive. You have the cross-section view, and you also have the delta view to view the deviations from the design. So in this case, we can see that there was a lot of overbreak or deviation from the tunnel design. And you can see how big that deviation is in the delta view. You can close the inspection view and go back to the plan view. And you can create cut cross sections along the tunnel or along the as-built drive. This helps you to be able to have a really good view of how the excavation or the mining went. In this case, we want to create CAD cross-sections at every 25-foot interval. You put this on the CAD cross-sections layer. And you can also pick the location where you want the cross-sections to be pasted on the map. And once you click OK, you'll have the cross-sections on the map, and you can see all the areas where there is underbreak or overbreak. You also have more detail on the overbreak area, and you also have coordinate information about specific points along the cross-section. After that is done, you can generate an as-built report, which you can share with the project stakeholders or the rest of the team members. You can also select the beginning and end station for your report. When you click Apply, the report will be generated in Microsoft Word format. The report gives more detail on overbreak area, underbreak volume, as well as information on the maximum overbreak distance and the maximum underbreak distance. That concludes our video.